Hey y'all, it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. I am here today with a video for Not2Shabby shop, and I'm featuring their new mini bundle called Bubble Tea. Right now I'm showing you the 6x6 paper pad that comes with the kit. It is so cute. You've got little critters, some pretty patterns. The colors are pretty. There's a little page that's like faux glitter. There's a couple of different pages in there that are like faux glitter, and a couple of different watercolor type pages. The colors in the paper pad are really pretty. You've got a lot of different pastels in there that will carry you through spring and maybe even early summer. The paper pad is just really, really pretty. Then we have a stamp set. The stamp set is really cute, and there are sentiments. But first, Boba. You're terrific. You had me at Boba. Thank you very mochi. You make me feel all bubbly inside. And then you've got different things that you can put inside your little boba cup, and different faces. You've got the little donut there, and different things that you can put on the donuts. And then you have the option of getting the coordinating die set. And there is also the cute little stencil, bubbled stencil, that is designed by our own Crafty Owl. Then the ephemera. There's an ephemera pack that has all kinds of goodies in it. And that's what you're going to see me using on the cards I make today. So as you can see, I still have a bunch of ephemera left, although I've made 6 cards with the kit already, with this new mini bundle. And I've not even touched the stamp set yet. So all I've used so far in making these 6 cards is the pattern paper and some of the ephemera that's in the mini bundle. And you look and see I still have plenty more left to do. And I've hardly touched the bubble tea pattern paper. You see I've still got tons and tons left, so I've still got plenty of paper to actually use and make cards with. So I want to show you the 6 cards that I did make. Here are 2 of them. I used 3 different card sketches to make these 6 cards, and again all I used was the ephemera, some pattern paper from the bundle, and then some colored cardstock from my stash. A little bit of foam tape here or there. Like on this one, I did pop up these 2 pieces of ephemera. You can see that I popped that up. And so this one says, "You are a rock star," and this one says, "Bubbles in my tea." So those are 2 of the cards I made. We'll get these ephemera out of the way. And then here are 2 that I made that are landscape cards. And I used 2 pieces of the ephemera, and I did pop those up on foam tape. They are dimensional. And I used the pattern paper from the paper pad, and as well as I used some glitter cardstock from my stash. Now this glitter cardstock is actually pink, but when you get it next to this lavender cardstock, it kind of looks, it has a little bit of a lavender hue to it. But when you're not looking at it right directly with that lavender, it's pink. So it's really cool how it picks up the color of, you know, whatever it's next to. And I'm not sure where it came from. It was just in my stash. I would love to tell you where I got it from. You know, I'm sure you guys have things in your stash that you're not sure where it came from. And then here are 2 cards that I made using the stencil, and I did some ink blending on the background. And I just ink blended using Squeezed Lemonade, Kitsch Flamingo, and I also used the new Saltwater Taffy color. I've been looking for a reason to use that color, and it blended well. You don't see a whole lot of it because I did cover it up with pattern paper, but I do think that the backgrounds turned out really cute. I used 2 more pieces of the ephemera and popped those up with some foam tape as well. And if you guys have watched me at all ever, you know there's going to be some foam tape somewhere on my card at some point. So and these are just 2 top folding A2 cards as well. Now what I didn't show you on these 2, the 2 that used this particular sketch, I decorated the inside with another piece of ephemera on both of them. I used the same piece of ephemera on both of them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at the cards that I made with the bundle this time, and I hope that you will head on over to Jamie's shop and check out the wonderful products that she has. Check out this mini bundle kit. It is over there on the website, and I will leave a link for it down in the description box below. Also in the description box, you're going to find a hashtag. There are other designers that are taking part in showcasing this new mini bundle, and you can find their videos today by clicking on that hashtag. It's going to be in my title as well as in the description box below. So also, while you are at Jamie's shop, I have a 10% discount code that is down in my description box for 10% off your order for most items. This does not apply to subscriptions or like this mini release bundle, but there are plenty of other wonderful things in Jamie's shop that you'll find. Not only will you find fabulous Not2Shabby products, but you will also find some great products from other manufacturers in the industry, and it's just really great. It's a great shop. I love Not2Shabby. So head on over there and check it out. If this video has been of value to you at all, I would love it if you would hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, if you just happen to find yourself here by clicking on a hashtag, I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I post content. I don't have a schedule yet. I would love to have a schedule, but I have 2 grandbabies and one that is on the way, possibly even on the way today. And so I'm having to help out with that. Plus, I work a full-time job. So I don't have a regular schedule, but I do post throughout the month for Not2Shabby. I post throughout the month for a couple of other people as well. So I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you're headed over to check out the other designers, do the same for them as well. Subscribe and like their channels and like their videos. So, but that's it for today for the new mini bundle bubble tea release from Not2Shabby. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you had a good time while you were here. I appreciate you spending time with me today. But until next time, I will see you later. Bye.